Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Holden Cruze SRIV Hatch, stock reference number 4787. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2009 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a 1.9 UN, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.9 UN, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket Hustler 17-inch alloy mags, left front is a ball tyre, left rear aftermarket Hustler 17-inch mag with a good tyre, tailgate appears to have no damage, spoiler type, right tail light, right rear 17-inch aftermarket Hustler alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand door appears to have no damage, right front guard appears to have no damage, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right side skirt, and a right front 17-inch Hustler alloy mag with a ball tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls with seat warmer type, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.